Perfect thread tension is an essential part of embroidery. Every embroiderer should know the art of adjusting the thread tension. To form flawless embroidery stitches, an ideal balance between upper thread and lower thread tension is necessary. Upper thread tension. It can be adjusted through 3 different dials. Move clockwise to increase and anti-clockwise to decrease the tension. If the outcome is still away from the desired result, then try to adjust the lower thread, also known as bobbin thread. Lower thread tension. Adjust the lower tension by tightening or loosening the screw in the bobbin case. To gain more insight, visit our website, www.candlethread.com.